Okay, today I want to show you how to set up a Parakeet or Budgie case. So, first you have the food bowl, and in other bowl, usually I use to put water or fruit, and I also have one toy and this another toy. I think this is their favorite toy. Okay, and the engine that contain the millet and the water the, and the ladder. They really enjoy the ladder and the hanging and the mirror. They really like the mirror. They talk to the mirror a lot of time. So, and you can see the cutter next to the mirror and the mic next to the mirror. Yeah, and I put one stick be between the mirror and the water pole. Another stick is on the top because they when they sleep they like to sleep as high as possible. So I put one stick for them to sleep. Yeah, and I use the paper to cover the bottom of the cage, and that's pretty much enough. And all of them is for the basic cage, and I recommend you should get this toy. They really like this toy. And alright, I forgot to introduce you. This is my two Budgie. One is the blue one is the dark blue name Cookie, and the white blue name Pie. They're kind of shy right now. Alright, yeah, that's the basic. They are the basic case for Budgie. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and please subscribe and like or comment if you guys have some question.